Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play 2x KO on PS5. First, obtain the game by downloading it from the PlayStation Store on your PS5. Next, turn on the game. Connect a second controller to your PS5 using a USB-C cable. Press the PlayStation button on the second controller to turn it on and pair with it. If the game controller doesn't connect automatically, go to Settings, Accessories, then General, then Bluetooth Accessories, and the controller should be listed. Then assign the second controller. You will be prompted to assign the newly connected controller to a different PlayStation Network account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Then choose your duo and fuse. Draft your duo by selecting two champions to play as. Choose your fuse. At the start of the match, select a fuse to customize your team's playstyle, such as using 2 assists back-to-back. Next, understand controls and mechanics. With basic attacks, use light, medium, and heavy attack buttons to chain combos. To use special moves, press the direction and either the S1 or S2 special move button to perform character-specific special moves. Use the tag button to switch between your two champions. Press the tag button with a directional input to call in an assist from your partner character. You can also use the handshake tag, a unique mechanic that allows you to switch characters while an assist is active, provided a butter stick resource is full. Finally, start playing. Take on the enemy team in a best-of-3 showdown using your chosen champions and fuse. Master the various champion abilities, team mechanics, and fuses to come out on top. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.